Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9005. This error usually shows up if you don't have a UEFI mode enabled and TPM 2.0. This version of Vanguard requires TPM 2.0 and UEFI compliant firmware in order to use virtualization based security. So the first thing you want to do is go to search, type in CMD, and then right click on it and then run it as an administrator. After it opens, type in bcd edit base / set space hypervisor launch type and then off, and then click OK, and it says operation completed successfully, and then simply type in exit. The next thing you want to do is enable TPM 2.0 on your motherboard. So you will go to search and type in run again and type in tpm.msc, and here it will say TPM status. For me, it's ready to use because I have it enable it. I'll show you how to enable it on a B450 MSI motherboard. So for you to find out which motherboard you have, you go back to run, type in msinfo 32, and in here you look for this baseboard manufacturer. For me it's MSI, and then the product B450. So with that, you go to YouTube and type in how to enable TPM 2.0 on B450 MSI. Now for you it's different manufacturers, so you like type in that. Now if you're panicking and your motherboard is like super old, or like your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy like a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is like, I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress, and then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in the BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy like a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is like, look for one which is like the same. It says like for ASUS, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy like that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it like fits and it works properly. And I'll show you my video how to enable it on MSI.
This is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC. And then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to security tab, click on trusted computing, and then security device support, enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to save. Click on save changes and reboot, and that's it. That's how you enable TPM 2.0.
After you've done all of that, you simply restart your PC one more time and then try relaunching the Valorant again, and hopefully that helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Hopefully this video helped you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.